Having trouble pairing your Bluetooth devices with your Xiaomi phone? Don't worry, this video will help you fix it. Sometimes unexpected glitches cause these issues, but I'll guide you through the troubleshooting steps to resolve them. Solution 1. Reset your devices. For starters, swipe down from the top of your phone and turn Bluetooth off. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it on. After that, restart both your Xiaomi phone and the Bluetooth device. After that, restart and see if the problem persists. Solution 2. Forget and repair the Bluetooth device. Go to your settings, then tap Bluetooth. Find the problematic device here and tap the forward arrow icon next to it. Select Unpair and confirm your action. After that, put the device in pairing mode and try connecting again. Solution 3. Reset Bluetooth settings. If the problem is not with the Bluetooth device but your phone settings, then resetting the settings may help. Open the Settings app, go to your phone settings, then tap on More Connectivity options. Scroll down and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Then tap on Reset Settings and confirm your action. This will not delete your phone data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi password, your mobile data settings, and Bluetooth connections. So after this is done, your Bluetooth problem will be fixed. So those are the solutions for Bluetooth pairing issues on your Xiaomi phone. Let me know if these steps worked for you or if you need any more help.